fine professionals. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. Recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it. It's good you made it back. Good for you.
What are the engines for again?
We'll talk later. We'll do everything around here. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical. Better be faster when we get right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. My friends, there could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Gravity coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the Resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, lie down behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Just shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. Keep shooting. Good job, my friend. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Heads are getting too hot. Get out of here. Yes, but distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, powers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is, hey, not bad.